DBC is a command line tool for installing and managing ADBC drivers. To get started, install DBC on your system. There are various installation methods available for Mac, Linux, Windows, and more. Once you've installed DBC, run dbc-help to view the usage reference guide. Next, run dbc search to list all available drivers. For more information about a driver, run dbc info followed by the driver name. To install a driver, simply run dbc install followed by the driver name. This will install the correct driver for your operating system and architecture and put it in a place where ADBC driver managers can automatically find it. After installing a driver, run dbc list to list all installed drivers. Now this driver is installed on your machine and ready to be used by ADBC driver managers. However, if you would like to add drivers as a dependency for a project, you can use a driver list. To get started, run dbc init to create a new driver list. Then run dbc add followed by a driver name to add a driver to that driver list. And this can be done multiple times to add multiple drivers. Next, run dbc sync to install all drivers listed in the driver list. You can view the driver list, which will be dbc.toml file, and this will list any drivers you've added. And then you can also take a look at dbc.lock, which is the lock file listing all drivers along with some additional information. Now you can use these drivers installed with DBC in any language you prefer that has a driver manager. Here's a simple example in Python. To get started, simply install the Python ADBC driver manager along with PyArrow. And then in your code, you can import the driver manager, connect to a database, run some SQL queries, and get data back in arrow format. Since the driver was installed with DBC, note that you can specify driver equals and then the driver name. There's no need to point to a specific driver shared library file or specify that in any kind of separate configuration file. Just the driver name is needed, and the driver manager is able to find the driver installed with DBC. For more information on DBC, check out the documentation at docs.columnar.tech/dbc.